His father, and look, it was a trash chute that he was putting the baby into. His father loaded the carton containing the body into the chute and gave it a shove. Bye bye, little guy, Jonas heard his father say before he left the room. Then the screen went blank. What do you think is going on in Jonas's head right now?
Probably like his daddy a monster.
Okay, who can agree or disagree with Nigel?
I, I agree.
Okay, so I agree from Damien and Jocelyn. One of you want to say why you agree?
I agree because his father that killed that baby and putting then trying to hide it or something.
Okay, so Damien's saying the father killed the baby and tried to what? Put it down the chute. Who can tell me the direct evidence from the text that shows us that the baby actually died? And I highlighted some of the evidence.
He went up. He was a white turkey or something.
All right, great. So you guys see that as we're reading, I'm highlighting key details, right, that will give you evidence in order to back up your claim. So if the question that I asked you was, did the baby die? In order to answer that question, you would come up with the claim, yes, the baby died because in the text it says, right? So you have to support your responses with text evidence at all times. Okay? Wonderful job, wonderful job. Let's keep going.